economical and it's a very secure building method these days. Rather than building everything up from the ground up, you have prefab, you place them, as you can see, as you set them in place, and it's like Legos going up. Very secure and much more cost-effective. Right, as you know, we're one of the last two jails, I believe, in New York State, if not the last one that does not house females. So that's going to save us a tremendous amount of time. Rather than running the female inmates all over New York State for housing purposes, we will have them right here, and not only that, it allows the families for the female incarcerated individuals to be able to come locally and visit and have connection with their loved ones. Well, again, I would say that we're working at a facility that was built in 1902, that was built at that time to take care of the population that they had then. And things have changed tremendously since then. I know it's a substantial cost, but it's one of those necessary evils. Unfortunately, in society, we have individuals that can't follow the rules and regulations and the laws. And I think it's extremely important that we have a location to put those individuals that is not only safe for them, but also safe for the correction officers that are involved with them.
We're still trying to figure out what to do with the entire building. There's no set plans yet. We are renovating, as you've seen on Main Street there. We're renovating some of the front of the old Sheriff Administration building and having that in good working order. But at this point in time, it really is no set plans on what we're going to use for that building. But I'm sure we'll be thinking hard about it in the coming months.